Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a kitchen staple that's actually a super powerful ally for our skin: cucumber. You've probably seen slices of it on people's eyes in movies or at spas, and there's a really good reason for that. This common veggie is absolutely fantastic for keeping our skin happy and hydrated, and it does it in a few simple yet effective ways. First off, let's state the obvious. Cucumbers are mostly water, like 95% water. And what does our skin constantly crave? Hydration. When your skin is well hydrated, it looks plump, healthy, and has a natural glow. Dry skin, on the other hand, can look dull, feel tight, and even show fine lines more easily. So simply applying cucumber to your skin, whether it's through a mask, a toner, or those classic slices, gives it a direct, refreshing drink. But it's not just about the water. Cucumbers also contain a whole bunch of good stuff for your skin, like vitamins C and K, and minerals such as potassium and magnesium. These aren't just fancy words. They're vital nutrients that help support skin health from the outside in. Vitamin C, for instance, is an antioxidant, which means it helps protect your skin from daily environmental stressors that can make it look tired. Another amazing quality of cucumber is its cooling and soothing effect. Think about how good those cool slices feel on puffy eyes. That's because cucumber has a natural ability to reduce swelling and inflammation. If you've got tired, puffy eyes from a long night, or if your skin is feeling a little irritated or sun-kissed, cucumber can provide instant relief, helping to calm and depuff. It's like a cool compress straight from nature. And let's not forget the astringent properties of cucumber. This means it can help to gently tighten your pores and give your skin a smoother, more refined appearance. It's not harsh or drying. Instead, it's a very subtle tightening effect that can make your complexion look clearer. So, whether you're dealing with tired eyes, dry patches, or just want to give your skin a natural, refreshing boost, don't underestimate the power of the humble cucumber. It's a simple, affordable, an incredibly effective way to keep your skin hydrated and happy.